Welcome to my channel. Quick tutorial. Update your eero Wi-Fi name and password. 1. Open the eero app. First, open the eero app on your smartphone or tablet. 2. Sign in to your account. Log in using the email or phone number connected to your *eero Wi-Fi system. 3. Go to Settings. Tap on the Settings option at the bottom right corner of the app. 4. Select Wi-Fi name and password. In the Settings menu, find and tap Wi-Fi name and password. 5. Edit your network name, SSID. Enter a new Wi-Fi name that you want your network to display. 6. Create a new password. Type a strong Wi-Fi password that is secure and easy for you to remember. 7. Save the changes. Tap the Save or Apply button to update the new Wi-Fi name and password. 8. Wait for the network to update. Your eero mesh Wi-Fi system will take a few seconds to apply the changes. 9. Reconnect your devices. After updating, reconnect all your devices using the new Wi-Fi name and password. 10. Test your internet connection. Finally, check if your devices are connected properly and your internet is working smoothly. Tip: use a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your network secure. Thanks for watching.